Hi everyone, my name is Kiran, and today I'm going to explain about one of the real-time scenario and using the KQL query. And the last and first, that is a session or it's a video, KQL basic, very basic fundamental I explain about in the first video. And you can refer it that video in the playlist, and above also you can see it, that information icon wise, I will add it. And coming to I'm today I'm going to like one of the practically real-time scenario like CPU utilization. I want to see it from last 2 days or 5 days or might be last 6 hours, or I want to see the graph. I don't want to see the values. Values wise, it's not easy. Metrics actually CPU, RAM, these all those things is a metrics wise generally. Those metrics values, if you see the chart wise, it's easy to understand. And these all metrics is a collected under log analytics workspace and specific table. The table name is a perf. So I can show you PE or F perf. This is a table of performance related. Perf means performance related. Okay, let's run it. So what will happen? And different all the information performance related all information will get it under this. Okay, so you can see 30,000 results totally on this. So showing the first 30,000 results, it's showing here. And there are so many things are there like processor related, logical disk. What are the things is available? So you can see here uh, K8SC container, K8S node, logical disk, memory, network processor like that in the object. And counter name wise, we are getting the percentage of processor time, used space, percentage of available megabytes memory, disk read and bytes per second, disk read seconds, disk transfer seconds, like that multiple things are there. CPU capacity nanocores, CPU limit nanocores, CPU request nanocores, like that multiple things are there. And it's a uh, available under performance wise. This is a one totally is a performance wise is available guys. That counter value, that means there is a that particular time that is a CPU utilization of that one. So you can see here counter path here. So and so processor percentage of processor time like that it's showing, and instance is a 0 because of what is a 0 1 like that. And whenever we are like VM sizes will attach the 4 CPU, 2 CPU, 6 CPUs, 8 CPUs like that. That means one socket, multiple cores is available. One socket, multiple cores is available. That way is a CPU. But generally, when we are seeing any CPU utilization in the graph, average CPU will take it. All the cores wise, average CPU utilization only will take it. So same like now I'm going to show you how to see that CPU utilization in the graph wise using the KQL queries, Kusto query language wise. So let's jump into here. Already we run it. So we understand these things and click on enter and pipe symbol and where. And here I want to see the processor related. Yes, CPU utilization means processor. And what is a here? Name is a object name. Object name. And if you tab it, automatically fill because of that is already available. So here few things we can use it like equal, that means exactly equal value. If I'm going to provide it, and exact name we should provide it guys. Suppose if I'm going to small letter PROCESSOR, I provided and inverted commas close and try to run it. We won't get the any result, but object name already processor is available, but still I'm not getting. Why? Because of it's a this value, this string case sensitive. So must and should properly provided that string value. The string value must and should provided properly. That's the reason we are getting the error. Now I change it small letter to capital letters. Exactly what string is available on the object name. Exactly I provided. You can see now it's a totally is a processor related everything it's showing. No, sometimes we'll make the mistake and instead of equal to there is any operator is available. Yes, there is a one more operator, contains. If I'm going to use the contains, and this operator won't look into the small letter or capital letter, not like that. Just the string name, it's going to look into that, and it will exactly information will provide to us. So let me check it. So small letters only, everything I'm providing, guys. And PROCESSOR, and click on run, and we'll get the information. So that means it's not case sensitive. It's not case sensitive. Whenever you are using contains, it's not case sensitive. It will provide the information. And another scenario, suppose another operator is available, that is a has. That has, if I'm going to use it, in this multiple things are there, guys. And suppose I'm going to use the as prefix. Prefix means in the processor, very big name, suppose something, and just I want is the first 3 or 4 letters, that word letters I'm providing here. Okay, and I am not sure it's a totally spelling, and I'm provided the proc, and click on run, and you can see the result also. So it will try to validate it, proc related, what are the logs is available. It's a object name, especially object name proc related. Suppose this is a has prefix, and suppose as suffix is available. If you provide the as suffix and SSOR, that means ending with that value is a that string value ending with 3 or 4 letters, we can provide it. Click on run, and still I can get it. Still I can get it. So you can see the processor object name wise, all the processor related logs I'm getting here. Yes, this is also one of the benefit. So here what we understand here, this is our. And one more thing under that, as prefix or suffix, you can see underscore CS, that is a case sensitive. You want to use the case sensitive, you should select the as prefix underscore CS, or has suffix underscore CS, that is a case sensitive wise it works. So but I'm going to use it the most of the time contains. Okay, now I'm going to use the contains processor. Okay, good. It's valid or not, just I'm going to run it. So it will run the query. Yes, it's working fine. And not only processor, I want to understand the counter name. So I want is a processor, percentage of processor time I required. So that's the reason and operator. I should use the and operator. And operator, I'm going to use it. And what is this one? Counter name. That is a counter name contains. And here that counter name, I'm providing the that percent of processor time, copy and paste it. I'm provided. So if I'm getting this is a one also, will get the total information? No, still so much things are there. Let me show you. So up to this is a one, right? So right now I'm getting the only processor time. And next is a, I require the instance name. Instance name, especially I don't want 0, 1, especially one core CPU, like a one core of CPU, I don't want. I want is a total, all the cores related average value I require. That's the reason I'm going to use it. And operator again, that is a instance name contains and underscore total I'm providing. Okay, so I want is a all the total average CPU value only I require. That's the reason I'm taken. This is a one, and again run, and it's a exactly correct. This everything syntax as well as operators, everything is right. That's the reason I'm getting the result. And enter again. Here I want data aggregation. That counter value is showing. I want is a chart wise. So I want data aggregation I require. So that's the reason summarize. Summarize is a data aggregation related summarize. I'm going to use it. This is a summarize, guys. And I want is a whenever chart is required, guys. So what exactly is available? X something like this is a X, this is a Y value. So based on that, it will give the chart like this, or it's like this, or it like this. It will give the chart. So same like here, what are the things I required? I required the average CPU based on the time. Average CPU based on the time, guys. That's the reason I'm going to use it. So average CPU utilization equal to I want. So this is a name I am providing, guys. This is a I want. This is a average CPU utilization related AVG. Okay, like exactly average CPU utilization. Okay, good. And I require the average values. So average AG, and here which average value? Counter values. So that's the reason I'm providing the counter value. Yes, counter value. By one more thing, what I required? Time based on the time I required. So that's the reason by bin value time generation based on that time generated. And I want is a daily wise, day wise, or hour wise, or minute wise. Suppose I want every 15 minutes of that, accordingly I require. In this scenario, 15 minutes. Suppose if you want hour based, 1 hour based, H, 1H, that means hour. Suppose day wise, 1 day, D means day. So that way you will get it. Let's see, 15 M, first of all, we'll see it and close it, the bracket, and enter. Okay, so now data aggregation is happening, but chart, how we'll get it? So for that, pipe symbol, render, rendering the data, and I require the time chart. So this is a time chart I'm providing. So click on run. Now total based on this information, accordingly I got the chart, guys. You can see the chart. Totally that CPU utilization chart I'm getting here. So I hope everyone understand. So you suppose I want hour based, 1 hour based, totally every 1 hour based, I want this data. So click on run, and you can see that chart is going to change it. Okay, suppose I want is a 1 day, day wise I require 1D. Click on run again. So it's showing like this, and you can see here and highlighted here. Let me, here average CPU utilization. What I provided in the summarize CPU utilization, average utilization, as well as time generation, UTC time. It's a generated wise like this, 7th August, 6th August, like that. I'm showing it's showing to me. Totally, this is a way CPU utilization. So this is a one values wise you want to see it. Results, go to results, and 1 day wise we are getting like this. Suppose I want 15 minutes wise 15 m and provided, and you can see here it's showing results. You can see that average values, how is the things based on that. That chart also is ready, and you can see average CPU utilization, time generated, everything is available, guys. Totally, this is a one. And chart information also you can see. Chart formatting, if you click on this one, whenever chart formatting, X axis time generated, Y axis average CPU utilization, aggregation, some aggregation, totally that CPU utilization aggregation wise we are getting. So that's way we are getting this chart. Totally, this is a this video about real time scenario, how we can able to see the CPU utilization using the KQL queries, guys. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and give the comments. Thank you, guys.